of the Sri Bharatanatyala of Tiruchi. Under her rigorous training, Preeti excelled in the art, with the art form performing for various prestigious events, live on television also, during the music and dance season in Tamil Nadu especially. She has received high acclaim for her rendering of the snake dance as well as Sivatandam. Preeti comes from a well-talented family excelling in dance as well as in music. Her mother Saroja, she is also here today with us, is a Carnatic musician, another Indian classical art, while her sister Sheila and Jayashree are both violinists. They have striven to dedicate themselves to promoting the arts, thus preserving their culture. In spite of her busy schedule as a doctoral student, Preeti enjoys spending time teaching this ancient art form to her students and demand the best from them. She has been able to do so through the unconditional support from her parents, Saroja and Ganapati, and her husband Sriram.
Oh, thank you.
Sriram Srinivasan. Her dedication and devotion to the dance will be seen today through Swati, her student. Raji, my wife, and I are grateful to have known Preeti and the family. We could not have asked for a better teacher for Swati. With that, I ask Jayashree to introduce the next song.
Yes, sir.
So next, Swati will be performing the Jatiswaram. Jatiswaram is a presentation of nrita, or pure dance. It is void of abhinaya, or emotion, but rather has an intricate series of movement sets to repeat to musical notes. The dance exhibits basic adabas that are confined to definite groups. In this dance, the jatis, the rhythmic pieces, are danced to swara passages in Ragam Kalyani and Talam Rupaka.